Who is it? Amazon?
Oh, ano sasabihin mo kay Amazon?
The Amazon.
Oh.
How about the kitchen?
Can I have kitchen please for my birthday?
But your grandma said you don't need that. Do you still need it?
Yeah.
Yan, sabihin mo kay
Sabi mo
Amazon.
kay Amazon.
I need it, Amazon. That's funny.
Sabihin mo, pretty please, Amazon.
Pretty please, Amazon.
On my
Bakit,
birthday.
bakit mo kailangan? Bakit mo kailangan ng kitchen?
Because
What will you do in the kitchen?
I don't know. I gonna cook.
Are you gonna cook?
Yeah.
Anong lulutuin mo? Anong lulutuin mo sa kitchen?
Strawberry for my kitchen.
Strawberry? Hindi naman niluluto ang
What
strawberry.
else? How about your pasta?
No.
You don't want to cook pasta in your kitchen?
No.
Okay, sabihin mo kay Amazon na i-deliver please sa birthday mo, yeah?
Yeah.
O, dali, kausapin mo.
Sabi mo, grandma said, you can deliver it on my birthday.
Yes.
O, dali, sabihin mo sa Amazon.
Call Amazon. Because
Iza,
I cancelled it already.
Iza, dali, ay siya, hindi ka magkaka-kitchen. Sorry, hindi na i-deliver ng Amazon pag hindi mo nasabi.
Talk to Amazon.
Siya, hindi na yun makaka-kitchen. Nakatulog na eh.
Dali. At para makapagluto ka ng pasta sa birthday mo.
O, dali, para makapagawa ka ng strawberry cake. Dali. Sabihin mo,
Call
Amazon, I
Amazon.
really need the kitchen.
I really need the kitchen.
Please.
Please.
Amazon.
When?
On
my-
on
On my birthday.
my birthday.
When is your birthday?
Sabihin mo, Grandma will pay it.
You will pay it, Grandma.
Yes. When is your birthday? 8 July.